Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be showing you how to draw this cute pink cup of tea. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper. Let's get started. First, we're going to start off by drawing a long oval for the top of the cup. Next, let's draw the right side of the cup by drawing a slightly curved line down, like so. Do the same thing for the left side, and try to keep the same curve as the right. Next, let's connect the two sides for the bottom of the cup. I think that's good for the cup, so now let's move on to the handle. We're going to draw a handle on the right side. Draw a curved line right about here for the handle. Do the same thing on the inside, but make sure to keep an equal distance from the first handle line. Now inside the first oval, draw a line following the same curve as the top. This will be the top of the tea inside the cup. Next, let's draw a tea bag coming out of the cup. Starting from the top left of the cup rim, draw a curved line here. Next, let's draw a cute little tag. Like so. I'm going to draw a heart inside the tag since I love tea. Now let's give this cup a face. Draw a circle for each eye, making sure they are the same size. Then we're going to draw two smaller circles inside. Color in the eyes with black, like so. Now we're going to draw a curved line on top of each eye toward the outside corner. Just adding some eyelashes for the extra cute effect. Lastly, let's draw a smile between the two eyes, right in the middle. Now we're just going to quickly color it and we'll be done. And done. And that's it for this cute teacup. If you haven't already, please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.